Progress continues to be made at our southern border. In an interview on Wednesday, Acting Secretary of Homeland Security Chad Wolf said construction on the U.S.-Mexico border wall remains a top priority. Wolf also slammed what he calls the mainstream media and their reports, which claim nothing is being done at the border, saying that there's currently 181 miles of new border wall. He expects DHS to reach the 200-mile mark by early June.
I understand you took an aerial tour of the border. Can you tell us about that and give us an update on the progress of the border wall, please?
Yeah, absolutely. So I specifically asked for that. I wanted to see the progress that we were making here in the San Diego sector on that border wall system. So had a chance to look at that. We saw both secondary wall, the exclusion zone between the two, but also new border wall system that's being constructed, again, just outside of San Diego. President Trump's been very clear on this. Border wall system works. We've seen it work, but he's not taking my word for it. He's taking the word of the men and women of the Border Patrol. They need that impedance and denial to do their job so that they can funnel bad people, bad goods, illicit goods to those ports of entry. So when people say, well, you know, the amount of fentanyl that you are apprehending, the amount of marijuana that you're apprehending at ports of entry are increasing, then that's where you need to be spending your money. I think that's a good line of argument. That's exactly what we want to do. So we have over about 181 miles of border wall, new border wall system. So I keep hearing these reports of no border walls being built. It's a lie. So we have 181 miles of border wall system. We'll meet the 200-mile mark in early June. We'll meet the 300-mile mark, 400-mile mark this year, and be up somewhere around 450 miles by the end of this calendar year. It's a promise that President Trump made to the American people. The American people want a secure border. They want a border wall system, and we're delivering on that.
Can you give us a little bit more information about the border wall system for those folks who may not have heard about it before?
So I think a lot of folks just think of the wall itself, and that physical infrastructure is actually a key, but there's a lot of other pieces to it. There's fiber optic cables, there's sensors, there's roads, there's lighting, there's cameras, there's radars. So all of that is what we call the border wall system, and all of that goes in a mile at a time, so that, again, there's not ever really going to be a wall that's going to stop every single individual. And we've had these discussions both inside the department a number of times. What this border wall system provides those is the impedance and denial that the Border Patrol needs, so that when that sensor goes off or that fiber optic cable goes off and says someone's in this sector, it gives that wall, it's very difficult to get around. And by the time they get around it, Border Patrol is waiting on them.
Well, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it.
Great. Thank you.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One American News on YouTube. And call your cable provider and kindly demand that One American News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.